Welcome back to ZS Auto Car, the home of speed, style, and next-generation innovation. If you love powerful electric vehicles and futuristic automotive design, then stay tuned because today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about machines on the planet, the all-new next-generation 2026 Tesla Cybertruck. Yes, it's finally here, officially unveiled, and it's not just a truck anymore, it's a revolution on wheels. Tesla has always been known for pushing boundaries, and with the 2026 Cybertruck, they've gone beyond anything we've ever seen before. This isn't just an update, it's a complete evolution of Tesla's most ambitious project. When the first Cybertruck prototype was revealed a few years ago, it shocked the world with its sharp, angular design and bulletproof body. Now, in 2026, Tesla has refined that design and given it more power, more technology, and more practicality than anyone thought possible. The moment you see the new Cybertruck, you know it's something extraordinary. It still carries that iconic stainless steel exoskeleton, but this time it's lighter, stronger, and even more aerodynamic. Tesla engineers have improved the body panels to reduce drag, making it not only futuristic but also more efficient on the road. The front end now features sleeker LED light bars, an adaptive camera system, and a redesigned bumper that improves visibility and safety. The wheels are bigger, the stance is wider, and the overall presence of the Cybertruck commands attention everywhere it goes. Moving to the rear, Tesla has added some serious updates. The power tailgate now doubles as a ramp for loading gear or even small vehicles like ATVs. The bed, which Tesla calls the vault, comes with a retractable cover, multiple power outlets, and new smart storage options. Whether you're camping, hauling, or just showing off, this truck is built to handle it all. Tesla even included built-in air suspension, allowing you to raise or lower the truck depending on your terrain, perfect for both off-road adventures and city cruising. Now let's talk about what makes the 2026 Cybertruck a true monster, the performance. Tesla has revealed that the new model will feature 3 powertrain options, with the top variant boasting an astonishing 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.7 seconds. That's supercar speed in a full-size electric truck. Powered by Tesla's next-gen tri-motor setup and an improved 4,680 battery pack, the range is now expected to exceed 550 miles on a single charge. That means more power, more endurance, and less time worrying about recharging. Tesla's new battery technology also allows ultra-fast charging. Just 15 minutes gives you over 200 miles of range. The company has expanded its supercharger network globally, making long-distance travel easier than ever before. And for those who want even more independence, the new Cybertruck offers a solar charging roof option that can add up to 30 miles of range per day in sunny conditions. It's clear that Tesla's goal is not just to build a truck, but to build the future of electric freedom. Inside, the 2026 Cybertruck feels like stepping into a spaceship. The minimalist cabin has been completely redesigned for comfort and intelligence. You're greeted by a massive 18-inch center touchscreen running Tesla's latest UI with voice control, gaming support, and full self-driving visualization. There's also a secondary 9-inch rear screen for passengers, wireless charging pads, a premium sound system, and ambient lighting that adapts to your driving mode. The steering wheel follows Tesla's futuristic theme. It's a yoke-style design with improved ergonomics and haptic touch controls. The seats are now more comfortable with heating, ventilation, and memory settings for all passengers. Space. Inside the cabin is massive, and thanks to Tesla's flat floor architecture, legroom is unmatched in its class. Even the panoramic glass roof has been upgraded with smart tinting that adjusts automatically to sunlight, giving you a bright yet relaxing environment. Tesla has also taken safety and automation to the next level. The 2026 Cybertruck comes standard with the latest Tesla Vision 2.0 system, a combination of cameras, radar, and AI-powered sensors that provide 360-degree awareness. It includes advanced autopilot features, lane assist, automatic braking, and full self-driving capability that is continuously improving through over-the-air updates. This means your Cybertruck actually gets smarter the longer you own it. Off-road capability has also been massively upgraded. The new adaptive air suspension offers up to 16 inches of ground clearance, and the truck can wade through deep water with ease. With over 14,000 pounds of towing capacity and incredible torque, the Cybertruck is not just a tech marvel, it's a serious workhorse. Whether it's construction, adventure, or performance, Tesla has made sure the 2026 version can handle every challenge with ease. Tesla has also focused on sustainability and innovation in manufacturing. The body is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, which is corrosion-resistant and eco-friendly. Production will take place at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, with deliveries expected to start by mid-2026. Elon Musk has promised that this version will be the most advanced and most affordable electric truck ever built, with prices starting around $60,000 and going up depending on trim levels. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It represents the future of electric mobility, combining raw power, futuristic design, and intelligent technology into one extraordinary package. From its sci-fi looks to its record-breaking performance, it's clear that Tesla has once again changed the game. If you're excited about this revolutionary truck, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to ZS Auto Car for more in-depth car reviews, electric vehicle news, and future automotive reveals. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, only on ZS Auto Car, where passion meets performance and innovation drives the future.